So, good morning, everyone. Today we are digital image processing, right? So, these are the various content. This representation cover what is digital image, what is digital image processing, history of digital image processing, state of art, example of digital image processing, key stages in digital image processing, and face detection. So, first of all, we are go for what is digital image. Digital image is a representation of two-dimensional images as a finite set of digital value called a picture, elements, or pixels. So you have to see this is a illumination energy sources. So these are various scenes we have to create it up. We are using an image in which we are put that image arrays through which we are digitalized. So display is always in the form of 1 or 0 as per computer terms. Fine. So pixel value typically represent a gray level, color, height, opacities, etc. That digitization, digital image in the approximation of the real scene. So you can see here, this is a digital image. Fine. So this is the air through which we are using this particular pixels. So next is a common image format included, like a one sample per point is a black and white or grayscale, three sample per point that is red, green, and blue we are using here. Four sample in which we are using alpha, AKI, opacity. Fine. So most of presentation we will focus on a grayscale images. These are our focus area basically. Fine. So what is a digital image processing? So digital image processing focuses on two major tasks: improvement of pictorial information for human interpretation, processing of image data for storage, transmission, and representation for the autonomous machine perceptions. So some argument about where image processing ends and a field such as image analysis and computer vision start. So we are going through with the image processing. So there are two tasks we have to use. The basically this is all depend upon a human interpretation, or you can analyze the image. Fine. So these are a quantum from image processing to computer vision can be broken up into low level, middle, high level process. So low level process are like input images, like noise removal, image sharpening. These are a low level, middle level like image attributes, object recognition, segmentation. In a high level, we have to use the scenes, understanding, autonomous navigations, and all these things. Fine. So these are a various level of the process. So history of digital image processing is in early 1920, one of the first application of digital image was in the newspaper industry, like Bartlett's cable picture transmission service that can be used at that time. So image were transferred by submarine cable between London and New York. So there is a lot of submarine cables are already in India that is under the water that we have to use for image processing. Picture were coded for a cable transfer, reconstructed at the receiving end of the telegraph printer. So mid to the late 1920, improvement to the Bartlett system resulted in a higher quality image. New reproduction processes based on photographic technique, increased number of turns in reproduced images. So there are 15 turns digital image, improved digital images there. In 1960, improvement in the computing technology, onset of the space race led surge of the work in a digital image process. So in the picture, the moon of the moon that should be taken by the Ranger 7 probe minutes before landing. So in 1964, computer used to improve the quality of image of the moon taken by a Ranger 7. So such technique were used in other space mission, including Apollo landing. Fine. So digital image process begins to be used in a medical applications, like typical head slice that we have to use of a cat for a recognition. So Sir Godfrey and Hounsfield, the Professor Allen, that have a Nobel Prize of Medicine that have mentioned a tomography of technical behind axial that we call it as a CAT, computerized axial tomographic scans. In 1980, the use of digital image processing technique has exploded, and they are now used for all kind of tasks in all kind of areas like image enhancement, restoration, artistics, medical visualization, industrial inspection, law enforcement, human computer interface. So these are various example of image enhancements. One of the most use of A digital image processing technique is a quality. We have to remove noise, etc. By using a noise, your picture get blurred and even the results are different. So you can see these various images. This is X-ray machine, X-ray of a human that should be taken in this way. This is a X-ray of, we would like to say, in our laptop that should be in this way. This is a photograph taken from the top of any particular that we have to use to exactly. The Hubble telescope, like launched in 1990, the Hubble telescope can take image of very distant object, like incorrect in mirrors, made many Hubble's images useless. So image processing technique were used to fix this. This is, you have to see, this is a picture is very blur, you can't recognize, and this is quite good. Fine. So next is artistic effects. So you see artistic effects are used to make images more visually appealing. So add special effects to make a composite image. So you see here that the person is already in a air. So you are imagining he was flying. So it's not that way. Actually, it was using some image effects. This is the artistic effects. So you see here, that's an image. There is nothing. This is a robot. This is, they never exist. So this way you have to use some effect system. Then there is a use in example in a medicine fields. Like you have to take a slice from an MRI scan of canine heart. This is the heart images, find boundaries between types of tissues, various tissues that can. So image with a gray level representing a tissue density, right? So use a suitable filter for highlight edges. So this is an MRI image of a dog heart. This image is of a dog heart, and this is the image that we have to use for a detection point of view, edge detection images. Next is an example of GIS, that is the Geographical Information System. So digital image processing technique are used extensively to manipulate satellite images also. Terrain classification, meteorology, we have to use these types in various fields also. So in another word, we would like to say this, you have to see this is on the top of images that can be taken by. This is a very demanding field in these days. Geographical information system, even in Canada, they are giving a PG certification in that field. It means this is a maximum demand field in upcoming days. Nighttime lights for the world data set. Global inventory of human settlement. Not hard to imagine the kind of analysis that might be done using the data. So you see here, this is exact data, this is the output. So you observe this output at this way. So industrial inspection, we have also used a digital image processing, like human operator are expensive, slow and unreliable. So make machine do the job instead. So industrial vision system are used to kind of industry. Can we trust them? Yes, we can, because it is the biggest effect on industrial inspection also. Next example is PCB inspection. There is a printed circuit board inspection. Machine inspection is used to determine that all the components present and that are solder joints are acceptable. So both conventional imaging and X-ray imaging are used in these days. You can see this type of various machines in hospitals and various places of law enforcement. So even a government also take a help of digital image processing. Like this technique is used to by law enforcement, like your number plate recognition speed. Suppose in a very fast speed, this picture is taken. So what is this writing that you have to elaborate? So fingerprint recognition, thumb expression, this is a biometric. Even in a, you would like to go in every government organization, they are using on it. Enhancement of CCTV images. Right now, this is a very in demanding. Government put up on the roadside to make a recognition of a number plate as well as a car also with the help of these machines. HCI, human computer interaction. This is the future upcoming human computer interface that is a natural, like a face recognition, gesture recognition. You see, even in your mobile, these options are available. Like you can click, so it will tell you your age is looking like a 25 or 35, 45. It all depend upon HCI, human computer interaction. The software is by default in your system. But does anyone remember the minority reports? Task extremely difficult. You can see here this type, like this. So key stages in digital image processing. First is problem, then image acquisition, image enhancement, image restoration, morphological processing, segmentation, object recognition, representation and description. So this is a color image or image compressions. It's all depend upon it. So which type of model you are preferably using for that purpose. So key stage in a digital image processing is image acquisition. This is the first step in which we are taking an image on which we are working, our problem, our domain on which we are working. Fine. So next is that is an image enhancement. You can see this image. This is an enhanced image. Fine. Then restoration. You can see this is a restoration. The picture is blurred, but it's not. This is exactly morphologically. You have to use this type of one. We are using morphological system to get exact required thumb expression. Segmentation, we are dividing into some problems. Fine. Object recognition, which is object. So this is used for iris, even your eye sector, where it's exactly the problem is. Representation and description. This is a representation and this is a description of the images, how you can move 101010. Fine. So this is the image compression. These are various images we are taking in the form of PNG, HTML files. So this is the color images. You can see here, this is the difference between color image processing and normal images. So this is an automated face recognition color-based segment. So you are using in even a Facebook use this type of technique. Your face recognition system, who's this guy, who's this man, all these guys are detect the presence of faces. So basic system summary is an initial design, reduce you have to say isn't faces like you would like to say system defining a face space, face point. You can go through all these types of using a training images, find coordinate, phase, non-phase, abundance of due problem, lack of transparency, poor generalization. So these are the steps we have to use, like input image, we are a color-based segment, morphologically matched, peak, face estimation, this way. Fine. So we have to go for this. All these are a criteria which we are following, and this is the images we are getting. And the conclusion is the most cases effective use of color space. The face color relationship and morphological processing allowed effective pre-processing. So in upcoming day, we are going through what is morphologically, what is restoration, all these terms we are clearing. For image trained, we have to detect a face with reasonable accuracy and miss and false alarm rates. So adaptive adjustments are there in it. Right. So these are various books we have preferably using and links we are using. These are references. So thank you everyone. So if you have any query, please ask me.